जय श्री कृष्णा माँ।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
कृष्णा माँ। जय श्री कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा।
जय
नमस्कार।
श्री कृष्ण। जय श्री कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा माँ।
हरे कृष्णा।
ಅದನ್ನ ಲೋಕಸ್ ತಿಂಕತೆ
ಆಯ್ತಾ? भीमातीर निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवहि भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंद तीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललंबोदरं तं मम हृदय निवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थितायै ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम् आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। चित्रैः गम्भीरैः वाक्यमानैरखण्डितैः कुरुभावं व्यञ्जयन्ती भाति श्रीजयतीर्थवाक् प्रणमत्कामधेनुं च भजत्सुरतरूपमं श्रीभावबोधकृत्पाद चिन्तामणिमुपास्महे। पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकाधिराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी नीकाश वाक्वैभवं। श्रीकाञ्ची नगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणी राजते। सत्यं विधातुं निजभृत्यभाषितं व्याप्तिं च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्वहन् स्तम्भे सभायां न मृगं न मानुषं नरसिंह न मृगं न मानुषं। My humble obeisance to the Lord of Vrindavan and Guruvayur, Shri Krishna, to Sri Rama, the Lord of Ayodhya, to Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati and Ma Sita, to Mahadeva and Ma Kali, to Siddhi Vinayakji Maharaj and Subramanya Swami, to the exemplary devotee Shri Hanumanji, and to all the devotees of the Lord who are listening to the Bhagavatam. By the grace of the Lord, we start with the traditional prayer. Samsara sagare magnam deenam mam करुणानिधे कर्म मोह गृहीतांगम मामुद्धर भवार्णवात् श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्ष कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशवा शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्र विशारदा एतत् कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. By the grace of the Lord, on your behalf, on my own, we thank all the patrons of Kshetrapasana who have made it possible for us to have the Katha day after day, week after week, and month after month. May all these devotees grow from strength to strength, joy to joy, prosperity to prosperity, and may they continue to do the noble work which they have undertaken. With this, we fall in tune to the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. अग्रे कुरूणाम् अथ पाण्डवानां दुःशासनेन कृतवस्त्रकेशां कृष्ण तदाक्रोशदनन्यनाथा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 श्री कृष्ण विष्णु मधुकैटभारे भक्तानुकम्पिन् भगवन् मुरारे त्रायस्व मां केशवलोकनाथ गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 वक्तुं समर्थोऽपि नवति कश्चित् अहो जनानां व्यसनाभिमुख्यम् जिह्वे पिबस्व जिह्वे पिबस्व जिह्वे पिबस्वामृतमे तदेवा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. Again, I remembered an old song which came to me in Vrindavan. I tell the Lord, wherever you go, please take me also, Master. Because the Bhakta and the Bhagavan have an old bonding. If you go to play on the flute, I have to forget myself in the melody of the flute. If you go to graze cattle, let me be an umbrella for you. If you go to perform the Rasa Leela, let me kiss the feet of Mother Radha. And whenever I sing your songs with devotion, please come with Radha playing on the flute. This is what the simple song means. जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु हमको भी लेकर जाना भक्त और भगवान का है नाता बहुत पुराना जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु हमको भी लेकर जाना भक्त और भगवान का तो नाता बहुत पुराना वेणु बजाते जाओ हमको भी लेकर जाना वेणु का गान सुन तन और मन को है खोना जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु हमको भी लेकर जाना भक्त और भगवान का तो नाता बहुत पुराना गैया चराने जाओ हमको भी लेकर जाना धूप और छाँव में छाता बनेंगे माना जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु हमको भी लेकर जाना, भक्त और भगवान का तो नाता बहुत पुराना। रास रचाने जाओ, हमको भी लेकर जाना, राधा जी के चरणों में शीश है झुकाना। रास रचाने जाओ, हमको भी लेकर जाना, राधा जी के चरणों में शीश है झुकाना। जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु, हमको भी लेकर जाना, भक्त और भगवान का तो नाता बहुत पुराना। कृष्ण प्रेम से हम गीत जो गाए कान्हा, राधा के संग आप मुरली बजाते आना। जिधर भी जाओ प्रभु, हमको भी लेकर जाना, भक्त और भगवान का तो नाता बहुत पुराना। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम. Back to the Bhagavatam. Yesterday we had the beautiful episode of Mother Rukmini getting married to the Lord. She is Lakshmi Swarupa, she is always inseparable, but just to teach us what true devotion is, the Lord gives us the episode of Rukmini Vivaha. After that, sometimes I have to skip a few chapters, a few episodes. One of them is the episode of Pradyumna, the son of the Lord, who is abducted from the maternity ward of Mother Rukmini, and there's a story behind it. He is Cupid incarnate in the another birth, and there is Rati waiting for him. And after quite a few years, when he comes back, all the people of Dwarka feel it's Krishna himself. The Lord and Pradyumna look almost alike. Of course, there are a few differences between the father and the son, but that is the long and the short of the story of that episode. The next episode is the Semantaka Mani Upakhyana. Very important because it stands for greed. Suppose there is an advertisement on the WhatsApp. There is a gem that gives you gold every day. All of us will run after it. All of us will order it on Amazon. Man wants quick money. Quick money. Greed. That is why casinos are full of people. Casinos and horse races, race courses are full of money. Whenever I go to any city where there is a race course and I see hundreds of cars and two-wheelers, I feel sad because only a few are going to win. The others are going to be disappointed. How many homes are going to be disappointed? How many people are going to commit suicide? We don't know. Just because of greed. There is a way of coming up in life, the hard way, the sure way, the steady way. It takes time, but doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. The Bhagavata, in the 10th canto, 56th chapter, starts the history of Semantaka Mani. Shri Shuka Uvacha Satrajita Swatanayam Krishnaya Kritakil Vishaha Semantake Manina Swayam Udyam Yadatyaman. Shukadeva tells Parikshit, there was a king called Satrajit. He offended the Lord by not giving him the money. But then, in order to do prayaschitta, atonement, he gave the money and his daughter, Satyabhama, the famous wife of Sri Krishna. Rukmini, Satyabhama are the famous queens. People have a prejudice against Satyabhama because she's proud, nothing else. Why is she proud? Because she's extremely beautiful, nothing wrong. If a person is extremely beautiful, nothing wrong in being proud. Only thing, she lacks the humility and devotion of Rukmini. That is why some episodes highlight the difference between Rukmini and Satyabhama. Otherwise, she's a lovable person, my dear listeners. Don't have a prejudice against Satyabhama, who is the daughter of Satrajit. At the moment he says this, Shukadeva says this, Parikshit says, I want to know about Semantaka Mani. Satrajita kim akarot brahman Krishnasya kilvishaha Semantaka kutastasya kasmat datta sutahare. How did this happen? When did he refuse to give? How did he give later his daughter and the money? Shukovacha asit satrajita suryo bhaktasya paramassakham Pritastasmai manim pradat sachatushta syamantakam. There was a king called Satrajit, and his best friend was the sun god. The sun god, I hope you know, stands for prosperity, stands for growth, for harvest, for ripening, for everything that stands for prosperity. Pritas tasmai manim pradat. He gave him a beautiful gem, big gem called Syamantakamani. And this, what does this money do? Satam bibhran manim kanthe brajamano yatharavihi pravishto dwarakan rajan tejasa nopalakshitaha. See, generally I make fun of people to make you laugh and also understand. As you laugh, you understand. That is my way of teaching lessons. If you have a brand new diamond necklace, your husband buys you the best brand new necklace. There is no occasion to wear it anywhere. At least to the supermarket, you'll wear it before you put it in the locker. Somebody has to see it. How can you put the diamond necklace back into the locker? No, you want everybody to notice it. Why do we wear jewelry? So that you can notice. I mean, simple vanity, pardonable vanity. So what does this man do? He's holding it. Kanthe Brajaman. He is wearing it like a big pendant. And it is so bright that you can't see Satrajit. It is so bright. You can imagine. Pravishto Dwarakan Rajan Tejasa Nopalakshitaha. Everybody says, what is this? Is Surya walking on the streets? Tam Vilokya Janadurat Tejasa Mushtadrishtayaha. They are blinded by the radiance of Syamantakamani. Divyate Akshair Bhagavate Shashamsu Surya Shankitaha. All of them go and tell the Lord, Krishna, Krishna. I think this is Krishna at that time was playing dice with his wife. At that time, he's told by the people, Krishna, Krishna, I think the sun god is walking into Dwaraka. We can see him walking. Narayana namastetu Shankachakra Gadadhara Damodara Arvindaksha Govinda Yadunandana. These are the names of the Lord. So when people come and address the Lord, the residents of Dwaraka are telling him, Namaskar, Namaskar, Swami. Esha Ayati Savita Tvam Didrukshut Jagatpate Mushnan Gavasti Chakrena Drinam Chakshum Shitigmavu. He is one who is blinding the entire audience, whoever the onlookers, because of the radiance. Nanu ichchantite margam trilokyam vibudar arshava jnatvadya gudham yadushu drashtum tvam yatyaja prabho. I think everybody in the world wants to see you, Krishna. This is the unborn sun god. Till now, sun god has not taken a birth, but I think now he is born. Shukadeva says, Nishamya Bala Vachanam. God is all knowing. He knows who is going to come and he knows who is coming. He knows why he is coming. The Lord is the all knowing one, the omniscient one. So it's a Bala Vachana. For him, it is childish words. Prahasya Ambujalochanaha. Whenever the Lord smiles, please remember there is a history behind it. The smile of the Lord is an enigmatic smile. Long back, I remember. Sorry for the digression. I remember a story by Aldous Huxley called The Gayakonda Smile. There is a woman who hates her rival and she poisons her. After that, she gives her a beautiful Gayakonda smile. And the other woman dies. It's a very short story. It's terrible. The smile can mean volumes. The smile can mean volumes. And the Lord's smile, oh yes, it is out of the world. Prasada vimukam sheshvat prasannavadanikshanam prahasya. What did he say? Praha nasau ravirdeva. This is not Ravi. This is not the sun god. Satrajin manina jwalan. It is Satrajit wearing that money. Satrajit swagraham Srimat Kritakautuka Mangalam Pravishya Deva Sadane Manim Vipraineveshayat. Satrajit went to his house, to his palace, and called the Brahmins and installed this money. It's a Surya Prasada. So he installed it in his puja room, regular, Vidivat, with all the Vedic mantras and the Surya Stava and all the oblation, all the worship that has to be done traditionally was done. What is this Sadra? What is this Semantakamani? What is the power of the Semantakamani? Why is it so popular? Each day, this gem produces 8 bharas of gold. Dine dine swarna bharan ashtau sasrjati prabhu durbhiksha aryarishtani durbhiksha mari arishtani sarpadi vyadhayo ashubhaha na santi mayinastatra yatraste abhyarchito mani. Look at the advantages of this money. Wherever there is this money, there'll be 8 bharas of gold. I'll tell you what it means. The place where it is kept and it is worshipped, there'll be no calamity, there'll be no famine, there won't be any Mari. If you remember, in all the speeches of Narendra Modi ji, this COVID is called Mamari, Mamari. Mari means untimely death, epidemic causing untimely death. So now we will pray to the Semantakamani Upakhyana, let this COVID be gone. Because it can remove all the epidemics, arishtani, all the unpleasant things, evils, like snake bite, mental disorders, physical disorders, and also deceitful persons. They also won't be there. Wherever there is money, there are cheaters, Whenever there is money, you must have seen movies. Anything, anywhere you see a movie where people are running after a treasure hunt, it's only me killing you and you killing me. That's all. And finally, nobody gets it. The government gets the money. That is how it is. Greed leads to destruction. That is what happens when people run after money. For your information, Sridhara Swami has given you the measurement of bhara. I will read it out to you. 4 rice grains is called gunja. 5 gunja is called a pana. 8 panas is 1 karsha. 4 karshas is 1 pala. 100 palas is 1 tula. 20 tulas is 1 bhara, which means 3,700 grains of rice is an ounce. How much does Semantaka Mani give? 170 pounds of gold every day. The best jeweler in town cannot calculate. No gold souk can do it. That much of gold every day. And no disease, no cheatful person, nothing. Who will not desire it? Who will not ask for it? Just to give you an important lesson in life. Sayachito manim kwapi yadurajaya shaurina naivartha kamuka pradat. How was this, my dear listeners? Shauri is Krishna. Krishna is asking Satyajit, give me the money. Who is Krishna? Srivatsa Vaksha Srivasa Srivati Srivatamvaraha Sridhas Srisas Srinivasas Srinidhi Srivibhavanaha Sridhara Srikara Shreya Shriman Lokatraya Shreya. What does he do? Na pradatyachna bhangam. Atharkayan doesn't know that what he is doing is wrong. Atharkayan, not knowing. He says, no, I can't give you, Krishna. I can't give you this money. Tam ekada manim kanthe. What happens when you say no to the Lord? What was the Lord doing? Testing. He doesn't want anything. He's testing Satyajit. He asked Sairandri for perfumes in Mathura, she gave everything. He asked the garland maker, he gave everything. The weaver said, the laundryman, washerman said no, and his head was cut off. Now Satyajit is walking into a trap, the trap of selfishness. My dear listeners, Krishna is asking and he doesn't want to give him. What does he do? His brother is known as Prasena. Prasena wears it, and where does he go? Mad fellow goes hunting. Wearing the money, he goes hunting. Is that the place to wear money like this? Who will see you except wild animals? And the wildest of animals called the lion. That lion, that forest beast, is one that sees him. And what does it do? Prasenam sahayam hatva. He's going on a horseback. There comes Keshari. Keshari is a lion. Manim achidya Keshari. He catches hold of that money, kills the horse, kills Prasena. What happens when there is greed? This is the story. I'm sure all the modern movies which are made, I've seen people. If you remember our Indian movies, I've seen some of them. I like the climax scenes, because that is where the villain gets arrested and the hero is marrying the heroine. I like happy endings. Imagine, what does the villain do? He goes into a whole cellar and it's full of gold. We know it is gold paper, but then it looks so attractive. Gold, 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 gold everywhere. And what is it? Finally, it is death for him. That is the trap of death. Greed leads to death. That is what the Lord is teaching. So Prasena is killed. What does this Keshari do? What does this lion do? What can the lion do with the money? He thought it was a piece of meat. Shining, shining. That's why he caught hold of it. Naturally, he had to kill Prasena and the horse. He takes this and goes into a cave. Naturally, the lion goes into a cave. And whose cave is it? It is the cave of Jambavan. This is the meeting point of Ramavatara and Krishnavatara. That is why on the 14th of February, I said, I love you, Rama. I love you, Rama. Bolo Ram se. I love you, Krishna. I love you, Krishna. Bolo Sham se. I love you. Both of them. Both of them are lovable. Both are lovely incarnations. Rama, Krishna are both lovely incarnations. And Jambavan is the oldest bear from the times of Ramayana. If you remember, to tell you about his wisdom, our great Hanumanji was sitting unprepared for the flight, takeoff. And only one person can tell him, hey, you Hanuman, Vayuputra, you can fly. Not I, sir. Only you can fly, Hanuman, because your father has promised your mother, I will give you a son who will fly like me, Vayuputra. And so it was Jambavan. It was Jambavan who made Hanumanji fly across the ocean. And when Lakshmana was in a dead swoon, nobody knew what was going to happen. There is Jambavan saying, if Hanuman is alive, we are alive. Call Hanuman, ask him to bring the Sanjeevani herb. And what does Hanuman do? Instead of getting the prescription in the tablet, he uproots the pharmacy itself. He brings the whole mountain because he doesn't have the patience to search for the herb. How do you like it? He brings the mountain itself. Imagine bringing the mountain when a little herb was asked. And who advised? It was Jambavan. Even in our society, when you have a very senior person and he's very wise, you say he's the Jambavan of our society. Jambavan is known for his wisdom. And Jambavan had a beautiful daughter called Jambavati. Whatever the Lord does is with a purpose. He knows a bhakta is waiting. What happens? This lion enters the cave. Sopi chakre kumarasya manim kridanakam bile apashyan brataram brata satrajit paryatapyata. What happened? The lion took the money and the lion was killed by Jambavan on the way. And Jambavan found a very attractive money. He said, let me take it for my child. He has a child in the cradle. And on the cradle, you generally have a very attractive hanging toy. That is what he makes it. He makes the money a toy for the baby to play with. And what happened to Satrajit? He says, my brother, oh, my brother has not come back. Everybody start talking about the Lord. Chorasya chauryam jagati prasiddham. There's only one notorious thief in the world. He must have stolen it. This is how the Lord suffers ignominy. My dear listeners, good people also have to suffer bad names sometimes. It happens. It happens. It happens to many pure people. Even Mother Sita was blamed. What about Krishna? Praya Krishnena nihato manigrivo vanam gataha brata mameti tachrutva karne karne ajapanjanaha. Every year is passing on this rumor. Me to you, you to he to he. That is how it is going. From year to year it is from. Krishna must have stolen. This is what Satrajit told the courtier told the people started spreading the word, Krishna must have stolen. Krishna was horrified. I have not even touched that money. Bhagavan tat upashrutya duryasho liptamatmani marshtum prasena padavim anvapadyata nagaraihi. Krishna is very wise. He said, I don't want to go alone. I want a search squad. Give me citizens who are dependable, authentic citizens. Along with them, I will go and search for the money and prove that I have not stolen it. And let, as he goes, the way Prasena went, that way into the forest, Hatam Prasenam Ashvam cha Viksha Kesharina Vane Tam Chadri Prishte Nihatam Rikshena Dadrushu Janaha. All the people came and found, oh no, Krishna has not done it. Oh, it is the lion that has killed, Prasena and the horse. And the lion itself has been killed by the bear. Where is the bear? They are looking for it. Riksharaja Vilam Bhimam Andhena Tamasavratam. It's a huge cave where the bears live. It is a dark cave. Eko Vivesha Bhagavan Avasthapya Bahitchana Prajaha. The Lord wants to grace his devotee. So he tells the people, you wait outside, I will go into the cave. And he goes into the cave. And as he goes, it is really an interesting scene in the Narayaniam also. The moment Jambavan sees the Lord, he says, who are you? He knows Rama, he doesn't know Krishna. He knows the other avatar, he doesn't know Krishna. So he's waiting, says, who are you? And as, sometimes when you have a very strong grandchild, you ask the grandchild, no, hit me here. Hit with all your power. Act. One mushti, one blow, one fist, one blow. The Lord says hit. And what does Jambavan say? Hare Rama. And he gives him a blow. Rama himself is bearing the blow. Very nice, right? Thank you for hitting me. You feel happy when your grandchild is giving you a blow, no? And most children are very strong. And the Lord says, I see, this is the strength of my devotee. Tatra drishtva mani preshtam balak kridanakam kritam hartum kritam atistasmin avataste arbakantike. When the Lord entered the cave, he saw the money hanging there. Oh, this is where the money is. Tam apurvam naram drishtva. There was a nurse there, a nurse who was looking after the baby. She saw a very beautiful person, Krishna, the most handsome person in the world. When she saw that person, she ran to Jambavan and said, someone ethereal has entered our cave. I don't know who it is. Tat Shutva Abhyadravat Kruddho Jambavan Balinam Varaha. He's a great hero. Savai Bhagavata Tena Yuyudhe Swaminatmanaha. For your information, Krishna and Jambavan had a fight without rest for 28 days. 28 days, both of them. Hare Rama, 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 Rama. Rama was bearing all the blows. And suddenly, Jambavan finds, why am I not able to defeat this person? Who could it be? Krishnam. He is hitting Krishna Mushti. Krishna Mushti Vinishpat Nishpittanga Hangoru Bandhanaha. Everywhere he is hit by the fist of the Lord. Kshina Sattvaha is becoming weak. Svinnagatraha, all his limbs are failing. Tamaha Ativa Vismitaha. You can imagine the old bear. Who are you? Who are you, Master? This bear has never suffered defeat. I've been a great hero all my life. You are Narayana. I know that. You have come to teach me a lesson, Master. Jnane tvam sarva bhutanam prana ojas ahovalam. You are the strength of the entire world, Master, Vishnum Purana Purusham. I now know who you are. You are Rama, Krishna, everything. You are everything. Master, Tvam hi Vishwasrajam Srishta. You are the creator of the entire world, the cosmos. Iti Vijnata Vijnanam Riksharajanam Achyutaha Vyajahara Maharaja Bhagavan Devaki Sutaha Abhimrishya Aravindaksha Panina Shankarena Tam. His hand is Shamkarena. It is an auspicious hand. With that auspicious hand, he touches Jambavan so that all the pain is gone. He's the healer, isn't it? Ordinary people say, I do healing, I do healing. I said, Goli maro tumko. What healing can you do? The healing is done by the name of the Lord that you chant, not your hand. Your hand is full of muscles and bones, that is all, and skin and blood. Charged by the name of the Lord, some mantra you chant, only then you can heal. And the greater your power of mantra, the greater your healing. Everybody can't heal. But when the master of the world, the Dhanvantari, he touches you, naturally he's healed. Oh, I came here, Jambavan, only for this money. Not only that, I have lost my reputation. The whole world is calling me a thief. The whole world is calling me a thief. Mani hetu riha prapta vayam rikshamate vilam mithya vishapam pravrujan atmano mani namuna. It is because of this money, amuna means this money. It is because of this that the whole world is talking against me. I want to dispel this doubt. Ityuktaswam duhitaram kanyam jambavatim muda arhanartam samanina krishnaya upajaharaha. Look at the lovely gesture. Now, Jambavan knows this is the right person to whom I can give my daughter. I will give back the money and I'll give the Ramani, says Narayaniam. Only Narayaniam can play on the word. Ramani means girl, daughter. Mani and Ramani. The Ramani called Jambavati, one of the Ashtamahishis of the Lord. She is given to the Lord. After which, everybody has been waiting there. 28 days people were waiting. After some time, everybody went away. I said, oh, Krishna, after 12 days, they went away. Krishna has gone into the cave and not come back. Maybe he's dead. Maybe he's not alive. Maybe somebody killed him. Something happened. Everybody goes back. Rukmini is praying. Vasudeva is praying. Devaki is praying. All the relatives of the Lord are praying. And they are cursing Satrajit. All the people of Dwarka are cursing Satrajit. And they are praying to Durga Mata, who is known as Chandrabhaga. The moment they pray, suddenly they find the Lord is coming with his new wife. Upalabhya Rishikesham Mritam Punarivagatam Sahapatnya Manigrivam Sarve Jata Mahotsamaha. All of them are happy that he's coming with Jambavati and he's having a new wife with him. Satrajitam Samahuya. The Lord says, let me give a public demonstration to my reputation. Call the court. Call everybody. I'll prove to everybody that I'm not a thief. And the entire public here is a witness to it. Sabhayam Rajasannidhau Praptim Chakhyaya Bhagavan Manim Tasmai Nevedayat. Satrajit dare not look into the Lord's face. He's ashamed because he has spread the rumor that the Lord is a thief. Only he is a thief because he's known for thieving. My dear listeners, if you go to the police station and complain, the chief of the station will tell you, I know who the thief is in this locality. I'll catch him. So everybody thinks there's only one Jagat Prasiddha thief, and that is the Lord. He says, I lost my reputation because of you. I'm giving back. I'm giving back the money to you. He is totally humiliated. And Satrajit says, so anudhyayanta devagham balavat vigraha kulaha katham rajamyam atvarajaha prasidetva achyuta katham. Now I'm feeling very bad. How can I wipe my sin? How can I atone for my sin? What is the prayashchittam? Dasye duhitaram tasmai stri ratnam ratnamevacham. That is Mani and Ramani in the Narayaniyam. In the Bhagavata is Tri Ratnam and Ratnam. Ratna is the gem called Semantakamani, Stri Ratna is Satyabhama. Upayoyam Samichina Tasya Shantirna Chanyatha. I don't think I can appease the Lord by anything less than this. You know what the Lord says? Evam vyavasito buddhya satrajita swasutam shubham manim cha swayam udyamya krishnaya upajaharaha tam satyabhaman bhagavan upayeme yatha vidhi. Clap. Satyabhama's wedding takes place with Krishna. Bahubir yachitam shila rupa audarya gunanvitam. These are her qualities. She has shila, character. She has rupa, she has beauty, audarya, generosity, guna. She's got virtue. Bhagavan, what does the Lord do? Very clever. He says, this is not for me. It brought me bad luck. Even asking for it brought me bad luck. Why should I own it? You better keep it and we will enjoy the benefit of it. Very wise son-in-law. No? Let the father-in-law have the money and the son-in-law enjoy the benefit. Bhagavan aha na manim pratichamo vayam nripa tavastam deva bhaktasya vayam cha phalabhaginaha. You are the dear friend of Surya Deva, and Surya Deva gave you this money, so you keep it and we will enjoy the benefits of it. Because once there is a money, what is the father-in-law going to do? He must give it to the daughter and the son-in-law and people around. So we will enjoy the benefit. But then, my listeners, as we are coming to the end of the hour of the period for the Katha today, I must tell you, there's an episode that follows in the next chapter. What hurts me is greed can touch anybody. Greed can contaminate anybody. We should control that greed. Why do I say this? Vijñātārthopi govindo dagdhana karnya pandavan kuntim cha kulya karne saha ramo yayau kurun. He came to know, Krishna came to know that he knows what has happened, but everybody thinks that the Pandavas have been burnt in the house of lac. He goes to meet Bhishma, Kripa, Vidura, Gandhari, Drona, and he shares the sorrow with them. After that, yo asambhyam sampratishkrutya kanyaratnam vigaryanaha Krishna yadanna satrajit kasmat brataram anviyat. It was here that my comment on greed is relevant. The moment you have something enviable, the moment you have a thing like the boon granting gem, you are the butt of everybody's jealousy. Everybody is jealous of you and everybody wants to snatch it. As soon as you have something enviable like this, everybody is haunting you and hunting you. Two people I'm going to quote, and you'll be shocked. One of them is Akrura. Akrura, the bhakta of Krishna. He and a friend of his called Kritavarma. Both of them say, why should this Satrajit not follow his brother Prasena? We will kill him. We'll kill him. They catch hold of another fellow called Shatadhanva and tell him, go and kill Satrajit. Akrura is conspiring murder. And who is Akrura? The dear disciple of Krishna. My dear listeners, greed can enter the purest heart. If you can touch gold with a detached hand, you are above greed. If you fall for greed, you have to suffer for it. Akrura conspires with Kritavarma and sends Shatadhanva. Shatadhanva, go and kill. Evam bhinnamati stabhyam satrajita tamastatamaha shayanam avadi lobhat sapapa kshina jivitaha. Wicked Shatadhanva murdered Satrajit in sleep. simply out of greed, says the Bhagavata. How? Lobhat avadhit. Out of greed, he murdered him. Can you imagine? And mother, Satyabhama, is crying, my father is killed, my father is killed. The Lord had gone. When the Lord had gone to meet the Pandavas in Hastinapura, he'd gone to meet the Kauravas in Hastinapura to weep over, to condole over the death of, the so-called death of Pandavas. That time, Satyajit doesn't have son-in-law in his family. He is away. When Krishna is away, it's easy to kill. That is how they plan. Akrura, Shatadhanva, and now you have Kritavarma, three of them plan. And that time, mother is so sad. She's so sad. She says, Satyabhama, chapitaram hatam viksha shucharpita, velapat tata tateti, ha hatasmiti vuhyati. My husband is also not here. My father is gone. My father is gone. To give you what happened in those days. Today, when a person dies, to preserve the dead body, you have a freezer. Those days, as in Egypt, they had a huge coffin-like arrangement made in which you put oil, because oil is a preservative. Satyabhama asked for her father's corpse to be placed in a large vat of oil, and then she sorrowfully tells Krishna, goes to Hastinapura and says, come back. My father has been killed. My father has been murdered. The Lord comes and he's very unhappy. Sopi kritodyamam jnatva bhita prana paripsaya sahaye krita varmanam ayachata sabravit. Upon learning that Krishna is preparing to kill him, Shatadhanva is very sad, and he approaches Kritavarma and begs him for help. Kritavarma says, I can't offend Krishna and Balarama. They are absolutely fearless and invincible. I can't fight with them. Shatadhanva goes to Akrura. Akrura says, who can approach Krishna? Krishna is the all-powerful one. And as he talks of Krishna, he says, this is a child of 7 who could uproot a mountain and hold it like a child holds a mushroom. I can't fight with Krishna. I can't help you. It is then that the Lord attacks Shatadhanva on foot. Shatadhanva is running. The Lord also runs after him, and then he kills him, searches his upper garment and lower garment for the money, doesn't find it. Oh God, he says, what is this? Balarama says Shatadhanva must have placed the jewel in someone's care, somebody who is trustworthy. It is here that I want to end the katha for today, because the trustworthy person is Akrura. Shatadhanva has given this jewel to Akrura. And the Lord, who is a great lover of Akrura, knows that his disciple has fallen for greed. You feel very sad when somebody stabs you in the back. Your dearest friend, you can't bear it. Your partner, your brother, somebody whom you trust. And look at the way the Lord is going to behave with Akrura. That will be tomorrow's katha. How should you behave with someone who lets you down? Behavioral pattern of the Bhagavatam. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Tomorrow is we have another episode, and that is Krishna teasing Rukmini. A lovely episode where you will learn how husbands and wives can quarrel and love each other more after the quarrel. Narayana, 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 Bolo Narayana, 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 Krishna Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर् ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Thank you so
जय
much.
श्री जय
Jai
श्री
Shri
कृष्ण.
Krishna.
जय
जय
श्री
श्री कृष्ण अम्मा.
Jai
जय
Shri
श्री
Krishna,
कृष्ण.
Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण to everybody.
கட்டாயமா கேட்கும்
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Yes.
Thank you very
நம்ம
Yes.
என்ன சொல்றோடோ அதை I will listen out.
much. Really enjoyed the episode. Thank you.
ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா அம்மா.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma. Thank you so much.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा. We meet tomorrow.
ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா.